buddy Lloyd. Here's your little 347 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our heads on it. It's got the Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro billet, the March Onyx setup on the front end. Make sure the alternator works for you. Rear sump oil pan. Show you how it ran. Already 3,500, 399 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque looks like 408. Peaks horsepower 410. So the front end's on it. It's about 15, 20. So everything's good. Get her out there, get on a crate, come your way. Have a great day.